Waterfall. We are doing our vlog so you will get to know our family more. Yes, right? And don't worry, we will still be doing videos for kids, educational videos for kids, and exploring indoor and outdoor playground here in Singapore, and many more. Today, what's today?
Saturday.
It's Saturday and we're heading to Jurong Bird Park. So tara na guys, join us and explore Jurong Bird Park. Say bye! See you later! Yes guys, we are finally here! Jurong Bird Park. After an hour of travel, we are here now. Mark was so excited, but he's a bit sleepy. Okay, we are here now, guys. Come on, let's go. Kuya here, we're going inside. Come on, Marco, do you want to walk? Someone. Hi guys, we're here at Penguin Coast. We're going in now. We're going to see the penguins. Marco, do you want to walk and see the penguins? Come on. Papa, get him. There you go, guys. Okay, come on, Kuya, up there. Marco, go up. Oh, wait. Oh, look. It's okay, Kuya, here. It's okay. They're feeding the penguin. Okay. They're feeding the penguin today. They're the uncle. They're swimming, right? That's a big one. Is it a big one? There you go. Let's see the penguins. You see the penguins there? Swimming? Look! Look at that. There they are. There's the parrot. Oh, what are we going to see next? Elephant? Okay. Let's see this bird. Oh, that's a kingfisher. Where are they? Where are the birds? There they are. Oh, there's only two of them. There. You see the stork, Kuya? Where's the stork?
There.
There's the stork. Okay.
Flamingo.
Let's see the flamingo. Spoonbill. That is a spoonbill. What's that, Marco, Kuya? Spoonbill. There's so many of them. Look. Okay, I'm coming. Okay, what's the next bird?
It's a prey.
Birds of prey. Okay, let's go see the birds of prey.
Here at Royal Rumble. Okay, go in. Go, kuya. There are so many of them there, look. Okay, we'll go inside. Marco, what do you want to see there inside? Oh, see the parrots here? Bumpy, let's see the baby parrots, Marco. Where are the baby? You cannot feed now, right? There, Marco, there, up there, the blue one. Did you see it? There. There's another one there. Oh, the bird eating, look. That's a nice color bird. What's the color of that bird, Kuya? Blue with? Blue and purple, yeah. It has a bird purple. Where's that? What are you doing? Are you dancing? Say hi, friends, first. Hi, friends. We're gonna see Marco there. Hi, friends. We are exploring Jurong Bird Park now. Marco's so happy. Say hi to your friends. You say hi, friends. Hi, guys. The dinosaur is over there. You didn't see the egg. I didn't see the bone. Yeah. Wait a minute. That's so fast. That's so fast. Okay, we'll go and see the... I mean, not so fast. You're gonna fall. Yeah, so many pelicans. There's no elephant here, only birds. Different kinds of birds, yeah. Say bye, pelican. Over. Going to see the waterfall, guys. Waterfalls, it's so nice. Can you see it, Kuya? Don't
Food.
what?
Like again.
Don't throw that one. Go take a. We'll take another. How about there near the ano? It's very far. No waterfall. Is it nice? Hi. Where are we going now, Marco? Kuya, where are we going?
Restaurant.
Restaurant. Are you hungry now?
Mama.
It's time for lunch.
Mama.
Okay. Let's go and eat lunch. Where's the swan? Did you see the swan? Over there. Hi guys, we are tired now. We're going to eat lunch muna. Then we'll go around again. And now we are here at Parrot Paradise. Okay, go inside. Oh, let's see the parrot. Colorful world.
Oh, they're taking a bath there.
Where are they? Hindi. Oh, that one pala is Captain Hook's bird. What is that?
Go.
Ah, that's what parrot is this? Cockatoo. You see, guys? There's so many of them, and they're so loud. I think they're hungry. Are they hungry? I think they're hungry like Kuya Matthew.
Where's,
Are you hungry?
where's Mama?
Eating cockatoo, guys. Okay. Bird of play. Let's go and see. Here. Can we go down here? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see, Paran. I won't be upset. Ah, it's closed. It's closed. Oh no, because of the virus. It's closed. The water park is closed, guys. Oh no. Where? Here, about here. It's closed, the water park. Oh no, there's no water park today. And the playground also closed. It's closed, guys. The kids were a bit upset. See, guys, there's so many pelicans. See the pelicans, Kuya? See, guys, so many pelicans now.
Skeleton.